Hi there, I thought I'd better catch you up on what I've been up to. A couple of days ago I rewired this because this had the wiring coming out of the bottom and just outside this wall and then going down into the mattress bay. So I thought, righty, I'll just clean the bedroom area. I thought you might want to see what the carpet looks like that I took off of the walls. The other thing I did yesterday was rip out the side panels here and I'm covering them with fabric. First thing first though today, I've got to just do some rust repair. So I'll do the rust repair over here in this little hole here. I'll show you, hang on. There, so I started with the knead it yesterday and that's pretty solid, but I noticed just as I was vacuuming up under here a lot more rust. It was just pouring out, so I'm going to do some rust conversion stuff on there today. I'm just cleaning up the back windowsill and I thought all this brown was rust, but in fact the majority of it is just caked on bull dust, so just gonna scrape that all out now. You may also be able to see why it's full of dust is because it's open to the outside. I need to also find a solution to seal off that big gap. Good morning! Alright, so yesterday I was doing the wiring for this light behind me and yay! It works! I'm so happy. So that's one job done. So I'm going to seal the base for the bed just with paint and I will put the panels back in. I've done the first coat around the bottom of the window frames. There you go, you can see. And I've sealed the bed base with bin primer, which will hold back any of the mildew and mold stains, and just started doing a coat of enamel. So that's happening right now. Hi there, welcome back. I thought I would give you a quick tour of the bedroom as it stands right now. So here we go.